Earn $100 via PayPal watching YouTube videos each day. Most internet users spend their spare time on social media applications. Some watch videos/movies, while others devote time to playing games on social media. The users usually indulge in a set of how-to videos, or videos that carry the ASMR effect. But did you know that binge watching could help you make money? I will teach you how to make money by watching YouTube videos in today's video. This technique can help you earn money, even when indulging in your favorite YouTube content. This idea is 100% legit and can work for all countries. How are you going to do it? You will learn soon. Making money from YouTube video views sounds fun, right? Because this way you can spend your time watching your favorite content and at the same time get to earn money. That sounds crazy, but it is very much possible. This trick is just like monetizing your luxury and comfort for your financial benefit. You can make money by watching YouTube videos and sharing such videos. All you need for this purpose is a stable internet connection and a device you can use for further work. I suggest using a PC, which gives you more space and freedom to work with. But a smartphone can work equally well. The first step is to go to youtube.com and look at the posted videos. Choose any video of your liking and open it to view. You should click on one of these videos and watch it for a minimum of 30 seconds. Ensure you have viewed the video's initial 30 seconds, and finally, get paid for this. This way is straightforward, but most people do not know this method enough to apply this and earn through it. They end up watching a video for nothing but mere entertainment, which leads to time wastage. This method applies to everyone around the world who is watching this video, as YouTube is accessible to everyone around the world. It contains thousands of user-generated videos, generating revenue for both the creator and the viewer. First, you need to sign in with YouTube. If you already have an account with Google, use that account information to log into your YouTube account. Remember, a single Google account helps you log in to all Google applications, such as YouTube. If you do not have a Google account, I suggest you make one now by using the option of Sign Up. Use your genuine information to create this account. Now that you have logged into YouTube, look at the left side of the screen. A task pane displays trending and best YouTube videos. This pane includes the search bar. Look at the different categories such as gaming, music, sports, and news. Choose your favorite category and click. A new page will appear displaying multiple and most popular YouTube channels, and you may choose one item. Open another tab and type 7R6.com. Like YouTube, this website is 100% free, legitimate, and available to users worldwide. The purpose of this website is to shorten the URL and get you paid every time any user clicks this link. Once this website opens, you must click Sign Up to make your account. This click takes you to a membership page, which requires some basic information for yourself. You must set up a username backed by an email ID and a strong password. Once an account is created, a dashboard is displayed on your screen. This dashboard displays your view, total earnings, referral earnings, and average CPM clicks per minute. Look at the left side of your screen, and there is a button labeled as a new shorten link on the top of the task pane. Click on this button, and a box appears where you must paste your link to shorten it. Now that you have opened both websites and signed in with your account on both, choose any video you like on YouTube. Use the share option shown underneath the video and copy the URL by clicking the copy button. Now, open the second website, 7R6.com, and paste this link into the Paste the URL and Earn Money box. Paste the link in the dashboard and write the channel's name in the alias. As soon as you press the Go button, this website converts that long, tedious link into a concise URL. You should use at least 3 different YouTube videos and the same website to shorten their links. The more URLs you shorten, the higher your chance of making more money. It is ideal to generate links for live streaming videos to make more money because the video is new and many users are keen to watch it. It will be best if you find popular and trending YouTube videos, shorten their links using 7R6.com, and earn more money. If you are a gamer, I suggest you use the channel Among Us on YouTube for this purpose. Since this channel is about games, the next step involves opening up a new tab and reaching the website steamcommunity.com. This website is an ultimate destination for avid game users, where they can play, discuss, and even create games. Use the search bar to write about the Among Us game, and you will see thousands of discussions going on about this game on the Steam community, which proves that this game is trending. Once any game is trending, it indicates the right time to seize the moment and encash this trend through 7r6.com. Sign up on steamcommunity.com. This website also offers free membership and is available worldwide. Become a member of this website as you sign up for free and join this community. Once you have entered this, you should put up a post about Among Us and use the shortened link in that post. Since the Greek game is trending on the Steam community and the YouTube trending chart, most users will click on that link to watch the given video. This way, the gamers will use your shortened link multiple times, and as long as the game is trending on the YouTube charts, you will keep earning money through your link. If you do this for multiple videos trending on YouTube, you will make more money than expected. There is another website, Mootus, where more gamers are present to discuss the trending games. You can use that forum to post your links and get more clicks. This way, you have generated a shorter yet effective link connecting any remote user fond of gaming to their favorite YouTube video. Every time a user clicks this link, you get paid by 7r6.com. Using a YouTube trending video is to capture the audience's attention. This online earning method adds a mutual benefit for the URL by 7r6.com, while the content creator gets views. For each click, 7r6 pays you a fraction of money, which is available to withdraw through different modes such as Light Money, Web Money, PayPal, and Payee, and Payer. You can also use a template for your posts. I suggest you make a few W templates and then copy those to post with the relevant links. This task can be achieved by posting such links anywhere to gaming community websites and social media. All you need is a link generated by 7r6.com and an audience who will be keen to watch that video. So far, we have used 3 websites for this purpose. The first one is youtube.com, where you find the trending content, and the second is 7r6.com, the primary website, which shortens your link, but also monetizes the clicks for such videos. The third website could be related to the content you have generated, for instance, gaming, music, and entertainment. This way, you ending up using your leisure time to generate money. It's not necessary to use YouTube gaming videos. You may use other videos that are trending on YouTube. For example, videos related to the newest innovative kitchen gadgets that are very popular with homemakers. If you are a part of any such group with such an audience, it is a golden opportunity to gain more clicks for your URL. All you need to do is connect a relative video to a particular audience that is keen to watch. This coordination of video content to the audience can be used for your monetary benefit. Please know that this method is 100% authentic and legit. You can go to the payment proof section of 7r6.com and look at the considerable sum of money different people have withdrawn until now. Outro. So what are you waiting for? The only hurdle left is your effort now. We hope you enjoyed the video and start earning while watching fun and entertaining content by your favorite YouTubers and channels. If you have any questions, write them down in the comments section, and we'd love to answer all your queries. That's all for today. Take care and subscribe to our channel for more online earning ideas.